thought it would be very nice also to have some activities for the youth and for the school children. So there we had the first School Olympics with Samsung as our sponsor, and it went very well. So now we are still doing it, and we are very happy that we can continue that.